beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you go. Glistening once again, it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Toys in every store.
Hey guys, Glenny Grits Juice here. I'm Glenny Grits, coming to you live from Coach Cheesy's house here in San Diego, California. And tonight we're shooting my episode 7, Gritsmas Juice. It's beginning to look a lot like Gritsmas. Let's go. Hey guys, before we get into the stars of our show, our ingredients, I'd like to talk a little bit about tonight's juicer that I'm using. It's the new Nutribullet 800 watt. Okay, this thing's pretty cool. If you're just doing some personal juicing and you want to make some juice for yourself for the day, maybe a couple of days, this is the juicer for you guys. I always say it doesn't matter what juicer you use as long as you're juicing. So just be sure to juice daily, and that's all I care about. Guys, we're introducing a new cast member tonight, Cranberries. Organic cranberries brought to you by Ocean Spray, guys. These things are amazing. These are one of nature's superfoods. They're packed full of antioxidants, nutrients, good for urinary tract infections, blood flow. These things are awesome, and that's why I'm incorporating them tonight in my Gritsmas juice. Hey guys, I want to introduce the remaining 3 cast members of tonight's show that's going in my Gritsmas juice. Tonight we have oranges, apples, and some celery, okay? Oranges packed full of vitamin C, just good for immunity. They're awesome. We all know what I think about apples. Apple a day keeps the doctor away. Fiber, just good for digestion. And then we have celery. It's a good filler. It's hydrating. It's about 95% water, and it's also good for digestion. So that's what I'm going to be making in tonight's Gritsmas juice. Stand by while I get this ready and get to my favorite part, which is actually building and blending and juicing the juice. Let's go! That's what's up, guys. Almost done. Hey guys, now that I got the stars of our show, the ingredients all prepped and washed, let's get to my favorite part, building the juice. Let's go! Hey guys. Let's go! Woo! Love this. Give me that.
Glistening once again, it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
I don't even care. Sometimes shit falls out. There you have it, guys. Glenny Gritsmas juice. Let's pour a glass. So hey guys, this is the Gritsmas juice, and it yielded about 32 ounces, and I'm about to get after it. Keep healthy grits. Wow. Wow. Amazing. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you like, subscribe to my channel, ring the bell, give me a thumbs up. I appreciate you guys tuning in and all the support. Till next week. guys, Glenny Grits with Glenny Grits Juice here. And fuck, I already fucked. Hey guys, before we get into it, I'm incorporating it tonight into our Gritsmas juice to give it that cheery red, just glow feel that it gives you. You know, fuck, I hated that. Plenty of antioxidants, packed full of nutrients, helps with urinary tract
Infraction. That's an infraction if I've ever seen it.
Fuck me, man. Tonight we're gonna incorporate apples and fucking shoot that again, man. Hey guys, now that I got that